Let's get full day energy in 2 small bites. Hey guys, welcome to the Cuba Kitchen Journey. Today we're going to be making energy balls. Peter, what are energy balls?
They're balls that help people poop.
Okay, so here's the thing. At first I started this recipe because it's something that was told that helps you build energy. When you're just tired in the end of the day, you just get a quick little snack, or when you have the munchies and you just want to eat something but you don't want to grab that candy bar, you grab this energy ball. Gives you energy, it's healthy, but we found that it helps me poop. All right, it is good for your digestive system. So the main ingredient in it is
Oatmeal.
Oatmeal. All right, so you're gonna use 1 1/4 cups of rolled oats. You're gonna use 2 tablespoons of power mix-in. So what's that? I use one of flaxseed and one of chia seeds. Whatever power mix-in you want. Those are the ones that we add that does the benefit for me that the boys mentioned. The other one is 1/2 cup of nut butter. I use peanut butter, whatever nut butter you want to use in there. We also have 1/3 cup of honey or syrup or anything sticky, something that's going to make it bind. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We have 1/4 teaspoon of salt. See the 1/4 teaspoon? I like kosher salt, whatever salt you enjoy using. And 1/2 cup of mix-ins. I have learned that my favorite is mix of cranberries with coconut. You can use chocolate chips. You can use whatever mix-in, something to give the flavor that you want to add into it. All right, so we're just going to mix everything in. So, Peter, you do the oatmeal. And we are not using rolled oats. We're just using the instant ones that we had at home. We just kind of do whatever we want to with the recipe. Just use it as a direction, like to start from. Paul's doing the peanut butter. Whoa. All right. Okay. And then we're going to put the honey. Peter, you want to push the honey in? Push the thing. Push it in. Push it. There you go. Boom. And then we're going to scrape it off there. Good job. And then, Paul, you want to put in the cranberries? Put it in. Good job. Mommy's going to do the vanilla. You know, that 1 teaspoon that we just kind of... Oh, the 1 teaspoon. And then you're going to do flaxseed. You're going to do the chia seeds. Dump it in.
Both of us.
All right, go. Good job. And then the coconut. Mommy, do that one. And we're going to put the 1/4 teaspoon of salt. All right. And now we're going to mix it all. So we're going to mix everything. Ready?
Like the thing we're making.
Do they look a lot like the things we're making?
Yeah.
Yep. What are we making? All right. So there you go. You have a dough-ish kind of consistency, and we're going to stick it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes for it to get a little harder before we make the balls. So we left it in the fridge for a half hour-ish. 20 minutes works, 2 hours works. You just want the peanut butter to not be melting. I'm going to use the Pampered Chef medium scoop. If you have a scoop, different size, whatever size works for you. And that's just kind of what I do. I make little balls. You can scoop them up with a spoon and actually make little balls. I don't worry about them being too tight or too loose because I keep mine in the freezer and I go eating them. I eat a couple a day, sometimes more, sometimes less. If you want to keep them in the fridge, they'll keep for a long time. If you want to stick them in the freezer in a Ziploc bag, then, I mean, they don't last me more than a week. But if you want to keep them for 6 months, you'd be fine. Alright guys, and that is it. This is a single batch. I normally make a double batch. I put it to freeze on the cutting board, and then after they're frozen, I take it out and I put it inside a reusable Ziploc bag. But you got it. I hope you enjoy it. If you like this content, make sure you follow us and click the notification bell. Bye-bye.